In this video, I show you how to fix an Instagram chat theme font not showing problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you have to update your Instagram app to latest version. For doing this, go to Play Store, search Instagram, then tap on Instagram.
Now,
Update your Instagram to latest version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now find out Instagram. Tap on it. Tap on force stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear storage, then delete. Now open your Instagram app. Got it? Now go to Messages. Now check that. If it's still not showing, then go back and click on your profile icon. Now click on 3-line. Scroll down, then click on Help. Then tap on Report a Problem. Visual this, then Report Problem. Include and continue. I typed problem here. In Instagram, chat theme option. In Instagram, chat theme music option not showing problem. Please add this option as soon as possible. Then tap on Send. Now Instagram add this feature as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.